In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Lucidchart dark mode. Lucidchart, as many of you know, is a fantastic tool for creating diagrams and visualizing processes. But for those late-night work sessions or just to complement your aesthetic preferences, a darker interface can be easier on the eyes. Let's dive into how we can achieve this look today. First things first, let's head over to the Lucidchart website. You can simply type lucid.so into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll want to locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the site. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. For those who have their accounts linked with Google, you can conveniently sign up using the Sign Up with Google option. Just a friendly reminder that if your account isn't linked yet, you might want to go through that process for ease of access in the future. If you're already logged in, you might be able to skip this step entirely. Once you click on Sign Up with Google, you'll need to select your account from the options provided, which should bring you to your project dashboard. Now find the specific project you're working on or want to apply a dark theme to. Choose that project by giving it a click and then hit Open. This will load your project where we can start making some changes. Now let's address the main task at hand. Lucidchart unfortunately doesn't provide a native dark mode feature yet, but don't worry, there is a workaround. What we can do is set the page background to a darker color, giving it somewhat of a dark mode effect. With your project open, head over to the menu and click on File. From there, you'll want to navigate to Document Settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option for selecting your background color, a small change, but one that can make a big difference. By default, your background will likely be white, so let's change that. You can select from the color palette or input a specific color code if you have one in mind. For a true black background, simply choose the black from the color options presented. And there you have it. You've successfully set your Lucidchart project to have a dark background, mimicking a dark mode. It's a straightforward workaround that can help reduce eye strain and match any dark-themed preferences you have. Once you're satisfied with the color selection, bask in the glory of your new visually friendly interface. You've made it to the end, and your Lucidchart experience is now tailored to your liking. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips.